What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. Today is for sure an exciting one for me, just because I'm gonna go get my car that I haven't driven. I bought this car 5 years ago, and it's funny because I just saw it on Facebook, your little memory thing 5 years ago. You uploaded this picture, whatever, but I bought this car 5 years ago, and since I bought it, I probably haven't driven it more than, I want to say, no more than 1,000 miles for sure. I even want to say like 600 miles, just because the way my mom's, when I used to stay with my mom, the driveway was a long driveway. It wasn't wide at all, so I was lazy to pull it out. So for me to pull it out the garage, I have to pull out 3-4 cars. My sister's family, brother, everyone had a car. So if I wanted to move out the car, I have to pull out my mom's, sisters, brothers, dads, and then put them back in, because that's just how they would. My mom would tell me that if you're gonna pull them out, make sure you pull them in after you move out your car. And that got old probably like the 3rd time I tried moving out the car, and I didn't want to leave it outside or in the driveway. I just wanted to leave it in the garage. So this is probably the biggest main reason why I never drove that car, because moving 3-4 cars every time you want to move one car is just a very big hassle. And I don't know, it was just whatever. I was happy with seeing the car in the garage nice and clean, and you know, that was fine with me. That was my, like, all right, that's my goal. I have the car. I could stare at it all day if I want to in the garage, and that's it. But today, I'm going to my mom's house, and I will be picking up the car. And pretty much summer's coming around. It's starting to get warm, and we're out of quarantine, and you can see these cruises, car shows, car meets. And I think it's time for me to pull it out and start using it. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go pick up Boombox right now, drive an hour to my mom's, and then come back. I'll go ahead and show you guys when it's there. It's probably gonna be dusty, dirty, and it's on two different sets of wheels, on C28s and T37s. Just because from sitting so long, it even got a flat, I think, on 1 or 2 tires. And yeah, I'm gonna have to probably change the tire or air it up or something. Maybe there's a tire shop that I could get a new tire from. And yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys when we get a little bit closer. 5 minutes away. I have the box man right here, ready for a dance. Saludos a los G's. Here we have it. Have a bunch of wheels right here. I think like these are T37s for a Corvette Z06. These are, I don't know, probably a T37 or C28. And I have down here, I have my wheels for my Datsun that I don't know will ever come out. Love 20B did those for me. Let's start uncovering it. So it hasn't been washed in, I don't know, probably like 2 years. But it's not bad for not being washed in that long. Couple, probably all of them, no? Carbon hood. Pretty clean on the inside. This is another fastback. It's like a barn find. I feel like we're taking it out of a barn or something. That's for like a Z06 Corvette. We connected the jumper.
Didn't even need it.
It's not connected?
Didn't need it.
What the?
It'll start.
God. First try. Oh man, my dad was in here and he moved the seat all the way forward. We're gonna need gas. Man, feels good to be in here. Feels good. Yeah. I'm gonna turn it off, check the fluids. I know for sure I gotta buy one tire, so I'm gonna go to the tire shop, see if they have that tire new. If not, I'll just go ahead and get it used and buy it new when I get back home the next few days, and just run through it. I want to make sure coolant, fluids, tires, all that. Like I said, it's been sitting for, I don't know, 3 years for sure, easily 3-4 years. So I'm gonna turn it off and run through that. So this is taking the NSX place. Stored for like 2 years. This thing's too. Woo! What a hassle to come get this, to get this car out of here. So these two were flat from just sitting. So I put the C28s on the rear just so it could have something with the air on it. But a year later, 2 years later, they're flat now. We went to go put air in the T37s. This was a hassle. My brother's not here and the key's not here, so I don't know. But it looks like we're almost there. Gotta swap the wheels. Gotta check the coolant, oil. The car started out perfect. And then we're ready to hit the road. Oh man, I'm excited. I am excited. So here we have it. All 4 wheels are on. Put the air. I need to check the fluids real quick, and then we're ready to hit the road. Hit the road with Jack. Oh man, that interior though.
From DMV. Stupid as we just paid it.
So we're moving under its own power already. She drives pretty damn good. No gas, but fluid, coolant and oil seem good. Tires have air now. We're ready to go. Oh, Mr. Box is a little tight in there because there's a sub in there.
Who the fuck would put it right here?
They weren't thinking about carrying another person. It's a beautiful day. Oh yeah, man. I don't know why, even though this is my car, it feels like it's brand new to me. I mean, I've had it for 5 years now, but I never really drove it, so that's why she feels new. But man, am I excited. I'm probably gonna get it buffed, detailed and all that stuff. It's not bad. I mean, for being under a cover 3 years and it never got washed. It does have its little swirls from the cover, but man, I'm in love all over again. See how much it takes. It was on empty. Let's see how she does on an hour drive home after being stored for 3 years, 4 years. So far, pretty good. Pretty solid. She feels pretty solid.
Oh yeah. For the city, yeah, it's pretty good.
No cup holders though. I already know. Look what we just spotted in the wild. MK4 Supra. A little hard to see, but let's see if we can get close to it.
Nothing but JDM legends, bro. Hey, Ranger Danger, get out the way. Oh yeah, there we go.
time we see cool cars, I'm in like a little Civic, a daily. Nothing cool, but this time we're just as cool. We're just as cool today, boys. Turbo? Is that a Supra? Nice guy. Almost home, 10 minutes to go, but she ran really great. Temperature's fine, everything's good. The next few days I will be doing like maintenance to it, just oil change, probably spark plug, see what's, seemed like nothing's leaking because I moved the car out of the spot where it was parked for like 2 or 3 years, and nothing was wet. So I'm gonna just go through it, probably buy the tire that leaks. It is a new tire, but it doesn't seal perfect because it's a little stretched. So I'm probably gonna buy I don't know, Falcon, or what's that other one? Forgot the other tire size that's like decent price too, and they're more stretchable. They're more friendly on stretched tires and stuff. But I'm almost home. Almost home. Well, she made it home. Driving perfect. Man, she's running so good. Feels like she never even stopped running or something. Like usually when you have a car, leave them parked for like 3 or 4 years, they start with little hiccups and here and there. But I don't know, this one's, I mean, it is a Honda, so running smooth. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Got my car back. Well, I had it the whole time, but finally gonna drive it around this summer. Hit a little bit of meets, cruises and stuff like that. I think it's perfect timing for me to drive her out. But yeah, go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you guys think about the NSX. Yeah, see you guys in the next one.